If something is meant to be, why not see where to lead you? In this video, I'll be using car parts only to see if I can make an awesome DIY speaker just from car parts. As you can see, I have put the alternator in the box. I'm gonna be using masking tape to really hold the box lid tight so it can absorb all those vibrations for maximum sound. On the side here, I'll be using masking tape to hold the car horn that operates at 12 volts. I'm gonna be putting a second car horn on the other side and using masking tape as well. At the back of the box, I'm gonna be installing a reverse car horn. So the summary is I'm gonna be using two car horns for speakers, a reverse horn as my tweeter and the alternator as my subwoofer. The speaker is complete and ready for action. This is a sound warning. If you hate high frequencies or very loud volumes, please lower the volume or click off the video. You have been warned. The first battery is to power the car radio. The second battery is to power the alternator's magnetic field. But before that, I have to show you the difference between the two. Right now, the only things playing are the three car horns. The alternator does not have a magnetic field, so the volume is super low. I'm plugging in the battery for the alternator's magnetic field. Get ready. Listen to that insane bass from the alternator. What an awesome DIY speaker. Make sure to comment and tell me what you think about this car part DIY speaker. Now just relax and listen to this great music. If the video has surprised you, please subscribe. Now just relax and enjoy this great music. Is the speaker great or what? Thanks for watching and see you in another video.